Alright, here we go. The Super Bowl is finally here, and here's my pick for the final game of the season. Look, it's pretty obvious. I'm going to be cheering for the Kansas City Chiefs to win the Super Bowl, especially with Patrick Mahomes being the MVP. But, as always, I am unbiased and realistic, and I gotta tell you guys that the Eagles are the better team. Like I said, you'll see me cheering for the Chiefs and Patrick Mahomes, but when all is said and done, I do believe the Philadelphia Eagles will win this game, and they will be Super Bowl champions. And honestly, they deserve it. I mean, they went out, they got the better roster, etc., etc. So if they win the Super Bowl, they definitely have earned it. I've come into terms with it as a Cowboys fan. But be sure to comment down below your prediction for Super Bowl 57.